Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying access and organizing assets. This saves time. Once you have Canva Pro or a Teams plan, collect product images, SKU, prices, and any variants, so you won't interrupt flow. Next, open Product Studio from the app's menu or directly via Create a Design. Choose the right product template and canvas size. Make sure images are high resolution and named clearly, because consistent file names speed batch uploads. Now you're ready to import files and begin mapping product fields. Now import your images and product data. Upload batches to keep things organized. If you have a CSV, map columns to title, price, SKU, description, and variants. This links data dynamically. Once mapped, drag a product onto the template and insert placeholders for images and text. Design with grids and responsive spacing so variations fit. Use components and styles to ensure look consistency. That way, once you apply a product entry, the layout and typography adjust automatically and save repetitive edits. Finish by exporting your designs and syncing product data. Choose PNG, PDF, or direct integration like Shopify or WooCommerce depending on your pipeline. Once done, test a single product upload to confirm images, prices, and SKUs match. Make sure to enable auto-update if you want future CSV imports to refresh designs. If you hit an issue, first check CSV headers, exact file names, and image formats. Mismatches are the usual culprit. Re-upload corrected files, remap if needed, and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.